Organizations invest significant time and resources into leadership development. HR teams design programs, collect feedback, and define competency frameworks to help leaders grow. Yet turning these insights into everyday leadership behavior remains one of the biggest challenges. Blended leading helps HR bridge this gap by turning leadership insight into daily action. The platform works directly inside Microsoft Teams, allowing leaders to receive guidance where they already work every day. This means no new system to learn and no separate platform to adopt, making deployment simple and engagement high. Blended leading builds on leadership insights your organization already collects. This includes competency models, 360-degree feedback results, performance reviews, and leadership assessments. Instead of creating new processes, the platform activates this information, turning development insights once personalized leadership nudges. Leaders receive these nudges directly inside Microsoft Teams, supporting reflection and action in real leadership situations. Each nudge encourages a small but meaningful behavioral shift, helping leadership development happen continuously. Blended leading also connects leaders with the learning resources your organization already provides. Through personalized nudges, leaders are reminded of relevant courses and materials in your existing LMS, helping you get more value from the tools you already have. HR teams gain visibility into how leadership signals evolve across the organization through aggregated and anonymized insights. The platform highlights patterns in competencies, feedback themes, and leadership behaviors over time. These insights help HR understand where development is progressing and where additional support may be needed. Blended leading also provides transparency into the signals driving leadership nudges. This allows HR teams to connect leadership development directly to existing programs and strategic priorities. At the same time, the platform follows strict organizational data governance and uses only clearly defined leadership inputs. The result, leadership development becomes continuous, measurable, and scalable across the organization. Blended leading, turning leadership insight into daily action.